Today I am going to teach exercise number 2.6 differentiation question number 1 part 3. Find f dash of x if f of x is equal to ex 1 plus natural log of x. So what we will do, inverse log telephone. First of all, we will check inverse. This is the product of two variables, so we applied derivative differentiation of product rule, and for applying product rule we will select u and b. Inverse log tan polynomial exponent polynomial tan log inverse. Differentiation. In differentiation we will select exponent as u, polynomial as v. If for example, if you have exponent and log, so we will choose exponent as u and log as v. So exponent as u and log as v. After applying this, we will apply product rule, and what does product rule says? Derivative of the product variable is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So what we will do in this question, we want to find derivative of f of x. So differentiate with respect to, here in the right side variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. D by dx f of x, derivative apply on f of x is equal to d by dx ex into 1 plus natural log of x. Derivative of f of x what gives? F dash of x. Now exponent is this term, we can say that this is our u, and log is v. So u ex u derivative of v is 1 plus natural log of x plus v is 1 plus natural log of x. Derivative of u is e of x. Now e of x as it is, f of dash of x as it is, 1 plus natural log. Derivative of natural log of x is equal to 1 by x. Now derivative 1 is constant. Derivative constant 0 plus derivative of natural log of x is 1 by x plus 1 plus natural log of x as it is, and derivative of e of x is always e of x. Now e of x 0 e of x into 1 by x plus e of x 1 plus natural log of x. Now we will take LCM. First we will take LCM. X e of x plus denominator divided by denominator, we get 1 is multiplied for e of x, what we get? E of x. X is divided by 1, but we get x is multiplied by numerator, x into e of x 1 plus natural log of x. Now e of x is common, take common, what is left? 1 is left plus x, e of x is common, 1 plus natural log of x divided by x. So f dash of x is equal to e of x 1 plus x into 1 plus natural log of x divided by x. So derivative of e of x is 1 plus natural log of x is this whole term. This is our required solution.